Here's a question. Is your food you're eating stressing you out? Hey there, I'm Tess, and today we're talking about something that might be quietly hijacking your health, food sensitivities. Not allergies, not food intolerances, but those hidden reactions that can trigger your immune system and send your body into an inflammatory spiral without you even realizing it sometimes. So let me introduce you to the MRT, the mediator release test, which is a powerful tool for uncovering the foods that may be stressing out your system. We all know that diet plays a huge role in our health, but while food can nourish and heal, it can also inflame and disrupt. If I could change one thing to help someone feel better, it would be to identify and remove foods that are really quietly creating stress in their body, and that's exactly what the MRT helps us do. To really understand how food sensitivities work, we need to take a quick trip inside your immune system. Don't worry, it's not too sciencey. Your immune system essentially has two arms. You've got your innate immune system, which is your first responders, right? They're always on patrol. And then you have your adaptive immune system. These are the memory keepers that really create the antibodies. And so when something foreign enters the body, like a pathogen, your immune system goes on attack. Sounds good, right? But here's the catch. If your immune system starts recognizing certain foods as the invaders, it will really launch that same attack every single time you eat them. Enter inflammation. So when food sensitivities trigger this immune response, that's what follows, inflammation. And that inflammation can lead to a whole host of symptoms such as bloating, fatigue, joint pain, brain fog, skin issues, mood swings, and then over time, it contributes to what I like to call metabolic chaos, when your body is stuck in a state of dysfunction and really can't find its balance. So what is the MRT? The mediator release test is a functional lab that measures how your immune system reacts to over 170 foods now and chemicals. So instead of looking at just antibodies like an IgG test, for example, MRT goes one step further and it measures the end result of the immune response, the release of the mediators like histamine, cytokines, and prostaglandins. And these mediators are the troublemakers. They trigger inflammation, even pain, swelling, and all the symptoms that you may be dealing with. So when we run the MRT, we're not just asking, are you reacting? We're asking, how much chaos is this food causing in your body? So when we remove these reactive foods, even temporarily, we remove a source of immune stress. This gives your body the space to really reduce inflammation, heal the gut, rebalance hormones, regain energy, and feel more like you again. And yes, many people are reacting to healthy foods. It's not just about the food being bad, it's about your body not being able to tolerate it right now. So why is it a game changer? The MRT really helps us connect the dots between unexplained symptoms, chronic inflammation, gut imbalance, immune dysfunction. Instead of throwing random food at the wall to see what sticks, we get clear data, and data that we can use to create a targeted, personalized healing plan. So if you're tired of guessing what's causing your symptoms, if you feel bloated, tired, foggy, or inflamed, and nothing seems to be helping, this really might be your missing piece. So if you're ready to find out what your body's really reacting to, let's run your MRT, that food sensitivity panel. You can visit nurturingrootshealing.com or just send me an email at tess@nurturingrootshealing.com to get started.